Many users are experiencing frustrating problems with Meta Business Suite scheduled posts in 2025. Posts are failing to publish, showing as pending indefinitely, or completely disappearing from the content calendar. These issues often stem from recent platform updates, API changes, and inconsistencies between the mobile app and desktop versions of Meta Business Suite. Let's walk through the essential troubleshooting steps to resolve these problems. First, ensure your business account is properly verified and check for any policy violations. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies. These stored files often cause conflicts with Meta's updated systems and can prevent scheduled posts from working properly. Verify that you have the necessary page roles. You need admin, editor, or moderator permissions to schedule posts. Many scheduling failures occur due to insufficient permissions. Ensure your Instagram account is properly connected to your Facebook page. Many cross-platform scheduling issues stem from disconnected or improperly linked Instagram accounts. Finally, test your setup by scheduling a simple text post. This helps isolate whether the issue is content-related or system-related. Remember, posts can only be scheduled up to 75 days in advance with a minimum 10-minute delay. These troubleshooting steps resolve most common Meta Business Suite scheduling issues. If problems persist, advanced solutions and prevention strategies can provide additional support. When basic troubleshooting fails, advanced browser techniques can resolve many Meta Business Suite scheduling issues. The most effective approach is switching to incognito mode or trying a completely different browser. Incognito mode bypasses cached data and stored cookies that often interfere with scheduling functionality. This eliminates browser-related conflicts that cause approximately 30% of scheduling failures. Additionally, testing with different browsers like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari can identify browser-specific compatibility issues. Each browser handles Meta's scheduling interface slightly differently. Moving beyond browser issues, understanding API limitations and content requirements is crucial for reliable scheduling. Meta's API has specific limitations that affect bulk scheduling. Avoid scheduling multiple posts simultaneously during peak hours when server load is highest, typically between 6 p.m. and 10 p.m. in your target time zone. Content formatting is equally critical. Images must be at least 1080 pixels wide for optimal display, while videos should be in MP4 format with H.264 encoding. Incorrect formatting causes 12% of scheduling failures. Prevention is more effective than troubleshooting. Implementing systematic prevention strategies can reduce scheduling failures by up to 70%. Monthly permission audits are essential for maintaining clean account connections. Review all connected Instagram accounts, page roles, and admin access to prevent authentication failures. Establish standardized content formatting procedures and create backup scheduling workflows using native mobile apps. Document recurring issues to identify patterns and improve your processes over time. Understanding the scope of scheduling issues helps set realistic expectations and planning strategies. Industry data shows that 15 to 20% of scheduled posts experience some form of failure or delay. The average troubleshooting time per incident is 45 minutes, making prevention strategies highly valuable. When Meta Business Suite continues to present challenges, alternative solutions may be necessary. 68% of businesses now use dedicated social media management platforms alongside Meta Business Suite for improved reliability. These platforms offer enhanced scheduling features, better error reporting, and multi-platform management capabilities. Consider platforms that offer advanced scheduling features, automated posting, comprehensive analytics, and dedicated customer support. These tools can significantly reduce the 45-minute average troubleshooting time and improve your overall social media management efficiency. By implementing these advanced solutions and prevention strategies, you can significantly improve your Meta Business Suite scheduling success rate and reduce time spent on troubleshooting issues.